This might be another grand finale, we don't know. They could be psyching us out again, but I'm gonna film it anyway. It's Independence Day, Highland, New York, in the Hudson Valley. Freaking fireworks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Sounds like Libyan shit. This is how they found Obama. They set off fireworks and he came out to see him and then they shot him in the head. Oh my God, look at the pretty things in this guy. Bang, boom, headshot.
I like those ones with big black.
Alright. I think that's pretty much it.
It better be better 4th of July.
You know it's over when there's something on fire across the football field.
Thank
Thank you for making my YouTube videos sound all cheap and shit.